Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this series of Metasploitable 2, we will hack a service called FTP. So this is my Metasploitable 2 and this is the IP address of my Metasploitable. And let's start scanning the IP first, the basic Nmap scanning, Nmap and the IP address of Metasploitable 2. And it will just do a quick scanning, and these are the open ports. Today we will target FTP, the port 21. So let's do specific version scanning and default script scanning on this FTP. So let's open a new tab and let's open a new tab. Okay. Nmap and default script is SC. SV is for version -sv tag. So and -p is to specify the specific port, because we are not going to scan the whole ports which are open. So we have specified the specific port 21 and the IP address of Metasploitable 2. Now we see the version vsftpd 2.3.4. so what we can do is we can search for vulnerabilities on this version. So let's start searching the vulnerability if there is any vulnerability using search exploit. So we start search exploit and the FTP version that we have found, let's copy it and paste it over there and see if there is any vulnerability. And with the luck, it is already there in Metasploit. So it will clearly let you know that if this exploit is in Metasploit. So let's start a new tab and open Metasploit. And in Metasploit, what we have to do is we have to search for vsftpd and version 2.3.4. okay, so now let's search for this version in Metasploit. So let Metasploit start. It will take a couple of seconds, 20 maybe 15 seconds, and after it we have to use search command to search Metasploit regarding this exploit. So let's search vsftpd 2.3.4 and we have one exploit and the rank is excellent. So you can check the info using info command, use 0, or you can use the complete name for that. So what we are going to do is we will use the index number, use 0 to select the payload. By default it is taking payload cmd unix interact, so we will let it be. Now we have to set two things, R host and R port. R port is by default 21, it is already there. So we have to set our R host, which is remote host, the host name, or maybe you can say the remote host that we have the IP address of that machine. So we will set the R host to the IP address of Metasploitable, and using the options we can verify if it is all set or not. Now what we have to do is we just have to use run command and it will work. So let's see the options and validate the settings. R host, R port is already there. Now run and hit enter. It is working fine. And now we have a root access, banner 220. So from banner it is validating the version. Now the user is specifying the password, backdoor service has been spawned, and the UID root access. Now we have a root access. To validate this root access, let's see who am I. So I am root and ID is UID 0, GID 0. This is how you hack into an FTP service in Metasploitable 2. Thank you all for watching this video. Have a good day.